In this question, we'll form some simultaneous exponential equations, and we'll use those equations to find a missing value. So the question states that the equation of a curve is given by y equals ka to the power x, where a and k are constants. Given that the curve passes through the points 2, 16, 3, 32, and 5p, find the values of a, k, and p. Now, to find the value of p, we're going to need to find a and k first. So let's consider our first point that we're given, which is 216. And we see our general equation is y equals kax. Now, we should recall that this represents the x variable, and this is the y variable. And we can substitute these two numbers in here to form an equation. So we'll end up with 16 equals k a to the power 2. So this will be our first equation. Let's leave it there. And equation 2 will come from the second point, which is 332. So let's write our equation again, y equals kax. We will substitute the 32 into y equals k a to the power 3. So this will be our second equation. So let's write them down here. And I'm going to put equation 2 on the top for a reason. 32 equals ka cubed. And this is 16 equals ka squared. So in this equation, what I would do is actually divide them. So I've got 32 divided by 16, which will be 2. K divided by k is 1. Equals a3 divided by a2 will be a power 3 minus 2, which will be a. So we can find that a will be equal to 2. So this is our first value that we need. And we can substitute back to any equation to find k. So we can sub a equals 2 into equation 1, which was 16 equals ka squared. So we'll have 16 equals k, and a is given as 2, so that's 2 squared. So k will be equal to 16 on 4, which is 4. So k equals 4. So these are our two values that we need first, and we can use them to write the equation as y equals k, which is 4, times a, which is 2, to the power x. So this is our equation. Now, to find p, we will substitute 5 into x. So we'll have y equals 4 power 2, and the x value is 5, 2 power 5. So y will be equal to 128. And that equals your p value because p represents the y point. Therefore, p equals 128. Thanks for watching.